In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lump sum investment calculator in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file. You can use a blank worksheet or an existing file as long as you have a place to enter your values and display the results. Before typing any formula, make sure your basic data is already prepared. For this calculator, you'll need three key inputs: your initial investment amount, your annual return rate, and the number of years the investment will grow. It helps to place these values clearly in separate cells so the worksheet is easy to read and update later. For example, you might have one cell for the starting amount, another for the yearly percentage return, and another for the investment period in years. Keeping your inputs organized will make the formula easier to build and easier to understand. Once your data is ready, click on an empty cell where you want the final result to appear. This will be the cell that shows the future value of your one-time investment. In that selected cell, type the formula using Excel's FV function, enter equals, then FV, open parenthesis, then the cell containing the annual return rate, followed by a comma, then the cell containing the years, another comma, then 0, another comma, and finally a minus sign before the cell containing the initial investment. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. If your cells are arranged correctly, Excel will instantly calculate the future value of that lump sum investment. The reason the initial investment is entered as a negative value is because Excel treats it as money going out at the start, which helps return the final amount as a positive result. That makes the output much clearer to read. What this calculator is doing is using Excel's future value, or FV, function to estimate how much a one-time investment could grow over time at a fixed annual return rate. This is a simple but very useful way to project long-term investment growth without doing the calculation manually. One small tip: make sure your annual return rate is formatted properly. If you're entering it as a percentage, such as 8%, Excel will usually interpret it correctly. Also double-check that the year's value is a number and not text, since that can affect the formula result. And that's it. You've successfully created a lump sum investment calculator in Microsoft Excel, and you can now change the values anytime to test different investment scenarios.